How to get 6-7 emote in Clash Royale, full step-by-step guide. So in this video, I'll show you how to get the 6-7 emote in Clash Royale. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and do a research on finding the QR code or the link where you need to click on, and then once you click on it, it will allow you to claim the 6-7 emote. So go ahead and open the scan app on your device once you have found the QR code that you can scan. So for me, this is the QR code that I have found. So once I scan this QR code, this will take me here. So in here, click on open in browser button, and that will take you into this section. So on this section, you'll be able to find this claim reward button. So once you click on this will redirect you to the Clash Royale app. And then once it takes you to the Clash Royale app, you'll be able to find the 6-7 emote claimed as an emote that you have on your account. And that is how you can basically get 6-7 emote in Clash Royale.